Yeah, like that.
This is Larissa opening her mission
You're on
call.
speakerphone, just saying. Okay. Okay. Hi.
That's her big voice.
Oh, I ripped it, darn it. Stupid fuck. I want to be close when she finds everything. Oh. You'll probably accidentally hit her on the face.
Love the music, Michael.
Totally.
Should do Wipeout.
Wow. It was done on the 8th of January. Oh, ages ago. Alright.
Go.
Go. Okay, dear Sister Parkinson, you are hereby called to serve as a missionary of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. You are assigned to labour in the Canada, Vancouver. Our missionary training centre on Tuesday, May 14th. I told you it was May! Oh my god! May 14th. You are prepared to preach the gospel in the English language. I know.